So this is the introduction to 7.6 Natural Resources and Human Impact Unit. You're going to see the slide video. It's not here yet, but it will be as soon as I finish recording it. And any of the resources that are mentioned will be posted below, so you'll have access to that. The slide deck I'll be using is posted as well in case you just want to flip through that on your own. So the targeted performance expectations for this unit are listed below. These are based in the earth science standards and some engineering. We'll be building on the weather unit that occurs in 6th grade. And it's really these ideas about when the ground is warmed by the sun, water molecules gain energy and evaporate. Warm, moist air is less dense and rises. It then cools and condenses. It can form clouds and produce precipitation. Wind moves air masses that contain different amounts of water vapor, and climate is the long-term average of weather in an area, typically over 30 years. We're also building on the palm oil unit that occurs in 7.6, which is focused on human activity altering the biosphere. So the destruction of particular natural habitats and the extinction of species. Also, that changes to Earth's environments can have different impacts, both negative and positive, for different living things. In this unit, the science and engineering practices that are intentionally developed are asking questions and defining problems and mathematical and computational thinking. That's not to say that it won't be using other science and engineering practices in these types of units, but these are the focal ones. And then the intentionally developed cross-cutting concept is stability and change. So we're going to begin by experiencing the anchoring phenomena. In a training and in a classroom, we would ask folks to organize their science notebook with a table of contents, a progress tracker where you'll be recording ideas at the end of lessons. All the pages should be numbered so that you can reference them, and then you would cut and tape the Communicating in Scientific Ways handout in the back cover of the notebook, as well as have the norms in the front cover. Here are the norms that OpenSciEd uses. They're used for every single unit, including into high school. And we will be switching hats. So primarily for our purposes, you'll be staying in student hat, and that means you'll be thinking like a kid. What do you anticipate a middle school student might think, and what might they say? At any point when the slide changes to kind of an orange hue, that means we're in teacher hat and we'll be reflecting on things. So you'll be asked to kind of look at your anchoring phenomena tracker when we're in teacher hat.